filter intake from coming down from there. That's what you can see. And that's the front. So we have custom headlights, custom corner lights, and everything is fully modified. So Toyota Corolla project, 102 Toyota Corolla project. So this is how it is. You want to take a photo? Come and take a photo with us. Yeah, come and take a photo. Come on this other side. Come on this other side. Yeah. So yeah. You like it?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
What do you think about it? It's really cool.
Yeah.
So would you have it any other way? Would you change anything, or it's perfect? The color, the modifications, it's really good.
Color.
You like the color?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This is the drift car?
Do you have the
Yeah, this is a drift car.
underlights?
Yeah, we have the underlights on it. Yeah, we have the underlights. Yes.
It's the same color as
Yeah, the same color as the car. Yeah. So thank you so much. So this is your first time on Concours?
No, I have been it live with the horses racing.
Okay. Oh yes.
And another car show.
Yes. So you come here often?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's really nice.
I have also been on car show in Sweden.
Oh, in Sweden. Oh, amazing.
Because I am from Norway.
Oh, you're from Norway. I've been to Norway, Oslo. I've been to Oslo.
Yeah.
I've not been to any car show, but I've been to a monster truck show.
Oh, monster truck show. Okay. Amazing. I've been to Norway. I've been to Oslo before. I have my family there, living there. So I mean, it's an amazing place. Yeah, really chilled out city.
One of the coolest cars I've seen.
This is one of the coolest cars you've ever seen.
Top 5.
Top 5.
On the top is this one.
Yeah.
The Bugatti.
And the Bugatti, yeah.
And a Lamborghini.
And the Lamborghini.
And I so it's.
So this is top 4.
Yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much for the reviews. I really appreciate. And hope to see you soon on the other competition the next time round. Okay. Nice to meet you. What's your good name?
My name is Noah.
Noah. Nice to meet you, Noah. Omar. With Omar Garage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice to meet you. What's your good name?
Bjorn.
Bjorn. It's really nice to meet you. Pleasure. Okay. So welcome. Wanna see? Yeah, so we have the car. It's really beautiful. So you can see our cars. I'm just gonna walk you to the other car, then we continue reviewing the other car. You can see beautiful dogs and beautiful people around our car. Hi.
Hello.
Can I have a photo with her? Is it okay? Okay.
Sure,
so we're just gonna have. Hi. Yeah. So I think we're gonna have with the background of our car. Yeah. Can we come here?
Maybe.
Okay. Come.
Here we are, Mr. Jonathan
Come here.
MGB Roadster.
So cute. Yep. Hi.
Time entrant. What a beautiful car that is.
Hi. What's up? Yeah, really cute, eh?
How are you?
Oh, cute. So thank you. Appreciate.
What did we tend to do?
Yeah, so this is our car.